Formoa 004 is a hybrid polymer-based sealant that can seal and bond a variety of substrates such as plastic, GRP and most metals. It is a multi-purpose sealant that can come in either 290ml cartridges, 600ml foil packs or bulk options. Formoa 004 has a skin over time of 23 minutes and is bondable for a maximum period of 40 minutes after application. It has good strength, high flexibility, it's easy to tool up, it's primerless, fully overpaintable, and silicone and isocyanate free. Formoa 004 isn't a structural adhesive, and it is thicker than silicone, so it may be more difficult to use. Is Formoa 004 a good sealant for you? If you are looking for a low-cost and easy-to-use sealant that can also bond materials, Formoa 004 would be a good option for you. If you want a stronger adhesive or a sealant with greater weathering resistance, then we would suggest using an alternative option in our product range. If you want more information about Formoa 004, you should go ahead and download the datasheet.